Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and in this video we're going to do an input lag test on the LG OLED E9. We've got it set on standard mode right now just to kind of give us a baseline number, and that's going to be right around 84, 83 milliseconds. Still dropping a little bit. So 83 milliseconds we'll say on standard mode. So obviously not great for gaming, but we do have a game mode that we can turn on here, and we do have a video on how to do that as well, so you can check that one out if you want to see exactly how to turn that on. But we've got it set on game mode now, and we should see a drop off in those lag times. So that brings it down pretty significantly. Now we're looking at about 21 milliseconds. So a nice drop off there. So that's how you, well, that's what you get when you turn on the game mode on the LG E9 OLED. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned because we're going to have more videos coming up.